Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 12 and the name of the lesson is Understanding the Map. So let's start the lesson. The word map is derived from the Latin word mappa mundi. It means a small piece of cloth which can be kept in the hand. Map means the drawing about the earth surface or any part of the earth on a plain paper. Many details of any large area can be included in the map. Tourists visit different tourist destinations of Gujarat like Somnath, Dwarka, Tarnetar, Ambaji, Dorodo, Saputara, etc. In spite of being unknown with the geographical area of tourist destination, they can reach the destination very easily. What is the reason of it? The reason is only that they have map showing tourist destination. They can receive information of the tourist spots destination by reading different maps. In the present time, map have proved very useful for many other objectives besides tours. Today, in the age of science and technology, you can reach any place in the world with the help of GPS, that is Global Positioning System. Let us understand the map in this chapter. Globe of the earth is very important to study the earth, but map is more important to study any one continent, country, state, district, taluka, city or any village of the earth. Now next topic is Atlas map. An atlas is a collection of maps showing various details of the earth or its larger part. It contains political, administrative, natural and cultural details. Complete detail of any concerned region can be known by map. Map shows important details of various regions like physical detail, that is mountain, plateau, plain, river, lake, etc. and cultural, that is transportation, industries, farming, irrigation, etc. too. Now, types of maps. There are two types of maps. Number one, thematic map, and number two, scale based map. Now, the first one, thematic map. Such types of maps are prepared according to the requirement of necessary details. Thematical maps are categorized into two main sections based on the natural and cultural detail depicted in them. Now, A is natural map and B cultural map. So, A scale based map. Map that shows physical detail is called scale based map. Scale based map displays natural landform like mountains, plateau, plain, rivers, ocean, etc. Maps showing the detail of wild animals, vegetation, forest, minerals, etc. are the part of the scale based map. Now, number one is topographic map. You can see these all things in this map. Landscape like mountain, plateau, plains, waterways, etc. are shown in this type of map. Now number two is climate map. This map focuses on the details of climate, temperature, rainfall, winds, etc. Number 3 is astronomical map. Information about celestial bodies like planets, satellites, galaxies, stars, etc. are shown in astronomical map. Now B is cultural map. The map which outlines the man-made detail is called cultural map. This map outlines various human activities. The map of state, farming, population, transportations are the examples of cultural map. Now number 1, political map. The map which shows the detail of continent, country, local administration and their frontiers are called political map. Number 2 is industrial map. This map shows the detail of industrial sector, phase, history of industries, production, etc. Now 3 is historical map. The map which shows history of regional and national administration is called historical map. Apart from this, there are two types of map on the basis of scale. Number 2 here is types of map on the basis of scale. Generally, if the scale of a map is less than 1 centimeter is to 50 kilometer, then that map is called large scale map. In this map, 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometer, that is real distance on the earth. Large scale map shows more details. District, cities or village maps are the example of large scale map. Small scale map shows large areas of earth's surface. Example, map of different continents are called map of small scale. World map, country map, maps of atlas are the examples of small scale map. There are 4 types of small scale map. Number 1, atlas. Number 2, cadastral. Number 3, topo sheet. And number 4, wall map. Now, make a list of map available in your school and write down in your given below table. Note down the details shown in the map. Now children, this is homework for you. Now, observe the following given map and note down their types. So, on picture number 12.1, page number 71, you can see the map of Gujarat. Then below this map, you can see 12.2 map of India. India political, state and union territories. So you can see in this map. So children, please go through this map. Now on page number 72, you are having 12.3 picture of India relief map. So please go through this map. And below this map, you are having world political map. So student, please go through this map. You can see North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, South America, Australia, Antarctica. So please go through this map. Now, things to know. There are 3 main mapping institutions in India. NATMO. NATMO full form is National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization. This organization is in Kolkata and produces maps showing distribution. Next is NRSA. Full form National Remote Sensing Agency. This organization is in Hyderabad. They draw map with the pictures taken by satellite stations in the space by ISRO. Then Survey of India. This organization is in Dehradun. This organization allows for creating map and gives permission for their uses. Maps of our textbook are certified by this organization. Now student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.